Hello there, my name is T. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for new videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Now, in today's video, we will be working on words we use instead of the words that we normally use. We normally say very boring when we describe or when we try to describe something that is very boring. Now we should try to say dull. This is an adjective that we use to describe something that is very boring. Here are some examples of how you can use it. Yesterday's episode was dull. The boys' painting was dull. That song was dull. Now let's move on to the next term, which is very big. We can replace this with massive. This word is used to describe something that is big or large. Let us see how we can use this in a sentence. That house is massive. The school the school made massive changes to their policies. Now let's move on to the next term, which is very smart. Instead of using this term, we can replace it with intelligent. Now, how would we use this in a sentence? Here are some examples. The boy is the little boy is the little boy is quite intelligent. She came up with an intelligent idea. Let's move on to the next term very quick. Instead of using this term, we can replace it with rapid. Now, here are some example sentences. There has been a rapid growth in the new business's profit. Let's move on to the next term, which is very clean. Instead of saying that something is very clean, you can say it was spotless. The classroom was spotless when I got there. Now, these are some of the ways that you could expand your vocabulary. Thank you for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and you found this very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit